On this episode of Secret Lies of the Super Rich, get ready to turn up the heat in LA inside a fiery fortress with the ultimate in cutting-edge security.
When really hits the fan, you want to be in the master bedroom. It is literally a zombie-proof safe room.
I'm driving up to one of my favorite listings in South Florida in a $240,000 McLaren Spider.
Luxury real estate broker Sanada Ajam has sold nearly $800 million in real estate. But even she was shocked when she saw what her client built under the roof of this 12,500 square foot mansion in Delray Beach. It's even more impressive than the 125,000-gallon pool and waterfall in the backyard. You'll find it just beyond the 4 bedrooms and 5 baths, through the kitchen and behind these doors.
It's going to blow you away. Welcome to the state-of-the-art game room. It's 6,000 square feet and costs $3 million to build.
You heard her, 6,000 square feet. Almost half of this mega residence is a giant gaming wing.
The first area, you have your video game arcade. There are pinball machines, air hockey table, and racing games.
Sanada's not done with this fun house yet.
There's also a racquetball court and a high-tech golf simulator. There's even a 2-lane bowling alley with your own wall full of bowling shoes. I'm gonna stick with my Louis Vuitton. Right past the popcorn and the concession stand, there is a movie theater that also doubles as a widescreen gaming room and, of course, the karaoke room.
The price for the ultimate fun house? Just under $8.3 million. That includes every pinball machine, bowling ball, racket, and golf club, plus every piece of furniture in the entire house. All a buyer really needs to move in is a toothbrush.
The owner did say he'll include that as well.
Story and game over.